Asynx YouTube channel. So this is the quick start for Supabase and Expo. So we're going to create a React Native application using this quick start from Supabase itself. So here we go. Let's go to the project setup. So first, let's go and create a project in app.supabase.io. So let's go to this. So create a backend in less than 2 minutes. So let's give it a go. Sign in with GitHub. Authorize Supabase. And we are in. Give it a few minutes. And we're in. So the next step, which is to click on new project. So let's give it a project name. So I'm going to put asynx. Type in a strong password. And leave the other fields as default and create a new project. So I'm going to save the password. So we'll take a while for this to load so we can move on to the next step,